Everyone, so today is our February unboxing of our gift from our secret channel. For you guys that don't know, I am participating in this yearly collaboration that's hosted by YouTube collaborators and was organized by Ingrid from Mommy and Mia Homeschool Chronicles, where we have a secret channel. I am gifting a channel for the whole year every month, and they don't know who I am, and I'm getting a gift every month from a channel, and I don't know who they are. So it's really fun. Today is our February gift, and I get to open it in front of all of you guys, so I am really excited. To make sure after you're done watching this video that you check the playlist below, and I will also post the video that I did last month so you can see what I got for my last month secret channel unboxing gift. Okay, so let's see what we got. So exciting. All right, so let's see. Oh my goodness, jelly beans. Yummy, yummy, yummy. This is one of my favorite candies, and this is dangerous in my house. Yay, thank you so much. Let's see. Oh, this is beautiful. It says Cat Studio, dish towel, hand towel, bar towel. Let's see. Oh, wow. This is very beautiful. Oh, look at this. Wow. It is a kitchen towel from, this makes me want to cry. This is beautiful, from Arizona. Look how beautiful this is. It has the different cities and different things, you know. Oh, this is so absolutely beautiful. Thank you so much, my secret channel, whoever you are. I absolutely love this. This is so thoughtful. Oh my goodness, this is absolutely beautiful. Wow. Thank you so much. All right, thank you so much. Oh, this little note, sorry. So a little note here. Again, my secret channel, this is amazing. You are very thoughtful, whoever you are, and wow, this is beautiful. Thank you. It says, Dear Michelle, hoping your February was full of love and laughter and many happy memories. Thinking of you today. Love, your secret channel. There's a quote right here. It says, I thank God for the way he made you, distinct, special, and unique, and you were not made from a common mold. It's a quote by Erwin Lutzer. I think I said that right. Again, oh my goodness, thank you so much, my secret channel. I absolutely love this, and I will not use this in the kitchen because it will get dirty, so I will keep this in a keepsake because it's absolutely beautiful. Thank you so much, and make sure everyone to watch the videos below so you can see everyone's unboxing. And again, my name is Michelle McCarthy from Homeschooling in the Pines, and I will see you soon.